Best sneaker of 2025. Let me qualify best. Best means the sneaker that you use the most. Yun yung para sa akin sapatos na palagi mong ginagamit. Kasi sayang naman yung pera mo kung hindi mo siya ginagamit. So para sa akin, this is a very personal pick kasi yung paa ko po, flat-footed ako, tapos meron din ako heel spurs. So I need specific shoes para maging komportable ang paglakad ko araw-araw. And for me, it's really easy. It is the Hoka Clifton 10s. Ito siya. I have it in white and several colors. Ang dumi, no? But anyway, so kita-kita din yung bugbog na bugbog dahil nangingitim na siya. This used to be all white. And the reason why I like it is that it is a stability shoe. So it helps people like me who have flat feet to have more balance. And number two, yung likod niya, kung titingnan niyo, flared pa atras. So hindi na ko constrict yung heel ko which triggers my heel spurs. So hindi sumasakit yung paa ko, in short, pag gamit ko tong sapatos na to. Yung second pick ko is also from Hoka, which is yung Bondi number 9 ba yun? Ayun, Bondi 9. And ito, while it's not a stability shoe, it is super soft. Like, I mean, talagang feeling mo naglalakad ka sa clouds. Like, it's super nice. And this one also comes in different colors. And the great thing about these shoes is, alam din niyo, I have wide feet. And another great thing is Hoka Philippines offers wide versions of the sneakers in their store. So pag pumunta ako sa GH Mall, for example, where I go to Hoka, meron doon selection ng mga wide feet sneakers. Kasi nakalagay doon wide or W. So, pwede ko talaga piliin yung sapatos that fits me. Na talagang magagamit ko always and magiging komportable ako. Kasi at the end of the day, while sneakers can be aesthetic, can be accents, can be very fashionable, ultimately, para sa akin, yung measure of success for them is kung gagamitin at gagamitin nyo ba. Kasi parang piso per wear. The more times you wear them, the more sulit yung pera. And para sa akin, itong dalawa to, most of the time you see me, malamang itong dalawa lang yung suot kong sapatos, lalong-lalo na this 2025. Kayo, ano yung sneakers of the year ninyo? What are the pair of sneakers that you've used the most this 2025? Comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed or liked or follow yet, please do so. It would mean a lot. Peace.